preliminary studies on an innovative bioactive skin-soluble beauty mask made by combining electrospinning and dry powder impregnation.
In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe.
The world of cosmetics is now aiming at bio-based materials which are skin compatible and can be used to generate more sustainable beauty masks with enhanced bioactivity.
This work presents, in this line of interest, the combination of two innovative technologies, namely electrospinning and dry powder impregnation, to generate bio-based skin-soluble electrospun polyolin carriers dry impregnated with chitin CLA complexes as effective bio-based and skin-compatible beauty masks.
The scalability of the polyolin electrospun carrier and bioactive complexes impregnation were optimized and morphology evaluated. Subsequently, skin compatibility and mask effectiveness were investigated in vitro and in vivo.
The results showed that cell viability was optimal for both impregnated and neat polyolin fibers. Additionally, the CLA impregnated polyolin fibers were able to unpregulate the endogenous antimicrobial molecule HBD2.
Preliminary studies in vivo indicated that beauty masks containing the CLA complexes significantly decreased area, length, and depth of forehead and crow's feet wrinkles, and significantly increased moisturizing levels in the skin. The developed beauty mask was also seen to increase skin firmness, while it did not show skin irritation after the test.
In summary, this work highlights the successful production of an environmentally sustainable and biofunctional cosmetic product, giving novel alternatives to the field of green cosmetics.